Students, today we will revise the chapter work, energy and power. So students, first of all, work done is given by F into S. This is equation number 1, where F is the force and S is the displacement and W is the work done. Okay. So according to this topic, work is said to be done when force displaces a body to some distance. Whenever we apply force, that is we push or pull the object, the body moves from this position to this position. This is S, displacement of the body. The body is having mass m, so this is the force and this is the displacement. So students, according to this formula, if we want to calculate the units of force are Newton and units of displacement are meter. Okay, so units of work done are joules. Therefore 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton into 1 meter. So students, further we are after this topic we are going to understand the concept of types of work done. So students, types of work done depends upon angle between F and S. So what is the angle between F and S? Students, when the force and displacement are in same direction, means when we apply force, the body displaces in that direction also. So theta is 0 degree. So we will write the formula W is equals to F into S into cos theta. Now here theta is 0 degree, W is equals to F into S, that is cos 0 degree. So cos 0 degree is equals to plus 1. W is equals to plus F multiply S. So student, positive work done means where we want to displace the object moves in that direction. Okay. So our work done is positive. Answer is positive. Second, when we want to apply the force in this direction and the body is moving in opposite direction, S. So if we make the direction of S here and F here, we see that this angle is 180 degree. Okay students, let us consider that some person is standing here and a bike is coming towards him. So what will he do? He wants to stop the bike. If he wants to stop the bike, he will apply force in this direction, but the displacement of the bike is in this direction. So students, here the angle is 180 degree. If here the angle is 180 degree, therefore W is equals to F into S cos 180 degree. That is W is equals to minus F into S, because cos 180 degree is equal to minus of 1. Clear? Third is 0 work done. Work done is 0 when theta is 90 degree. So students, how is theta 90? Let us consider a person who is standing here. He is carrying a bag in having mass m and he is walking towards this direction, that is S. Students, when he carries the bag, he applies the force with his hands and arms towards the bag, that is F. So this is F and this is S. The angle between F and S is 90 degree. Therefore W is equals to F into S cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. That is W is equals to F into S into 0. That is W is equals to 0 joules. Okay. These are the three concepts of positive work done, negative work done and the 0 work done. Students, further we will know about energy. What is energy? Energy is capacity to do work. Capacity means the person has capacity to carry a bag, so he is doing work. Okay. So the capacity to do work, that is energy, is of two types. First is kinetic energy, that is half mv square. Second is potential energy, that is mgh. Okay. So students, kinetic energy means if the body is in motion it acquires kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means when the body is in motion, it acquires kinetic energy. Consider, students, let us consider that we are having a bullet in our hand. So if I throw a bullet with my hand towards the window, it will not penetrate the window because I cannot give it enough velocity to penetrate the window. I am talking about kinetic energy. Okay. So students, if this bullet is placed in a gun and it is shot with the gun, so the bullet will penetrate the window easily. So which means we are giving it enough velocity to penetrate the window. So kinetic energy is the energy possessed by the body due to its motion. Okay. So potential energy means when the body is taken to some height h. So students, we have seen that the water tanks in our homes are at very height. They are at the top level, which means when we fill the water level, they acquires kinetic energy. And after that, after filling that water tank, we open the tap and the water automatically comes down. Which means if they are at the ground level, they do not possess kinetic energy. Similarly, students, if I drop anything from maximum height, it will break. But if I drop at the height of only 2 centimeters, 3 or 5 centimeters, it will not break. So students, at some height h, that is like this, the body is here of having mass m. So this is h. When it is dropped, it has potential energy. When it is dropped, its potential energy decreases because height decreases. Here m is the mass, g is gravity, and h is the height. Okay students. So students, in your test you have to prepare just 1, 2, 3 topics: work done, types of work done, kinetic energy and potential energy. And you have to do the NCERT book questions, that are the solved examples and the exercise questions related to kinetic energy, potential energy and types of work done. Okay, thank you.